Microsoft PowerPoint presentation window contains features that make it easy to create, project, print slides, or share a presentation. The ribbon is a feature of Microsoft PowerPoint that makes creating and editing a presentation easy. In this tutorial, you are going to learn the Backstage View in PowerPoint, the editing window, and what's new in PowerPoint 2019. When you open Microsoft PowerPoint, it opens in the Backstage View. Depending on which app you are using, if you are using the desktop app, it opens in the Backstage View where you see the blank presentation template. Here you have the pane where you locate home, where you see the blank and recently worked on, recently used presentations. You see new, where you can select from themes and templates. You can also search for templates online, and you also see open, where you can open already created presentations. But if you are working with Microsoft Online and you selected your PowerPoint from the app launcher, then it opens in the Backstage View. Here you see the blank presentation template and themes you can select from. You can also decide to select a premium theme which you pay for, or you click on more themes for more themes to appear and you select from there. If you are searching for templates, you can click here and search for a presentation template which will serve as what you are going to use to create your own presentation. So whichever app you are using, it depends on how you want it. So if you are using online, you can click to appear on the Backstage View, but often when you are using desktop app, it will always appear on the Backstage View. When you open Microsoft PowerPoint, you notice some of the features of PowerPoint which will help you in creating your presentation. For example, here you have the title bar, you have the tabs, you have the ribbon. You work with the ribbon just as the way we explain in Microsoft Word. Then you have the workspace where you start creating. This is a text placeholder. You have the left pane. In the left pane, you will see the list of all your slides, or we call them slide thumbnails. Then you have the taskbar, which reports certain things like the slide number, the notes, the comments. If you want to add notes, you click on the notes, then the notes will appear and you add your notes. Then depending on what you are working on, for example, if you are working with animation, you can click on the animation pane to see another pane here which appears in the right. Similarly, when you are working with PowerPoint online, you still have the same features. You have the tabs, the title bar, the tabs, the ribbon, the workspace, your slide lists. Then in the right, usually you have the designer, which you can select from to beautify your presentation. So some of these features are very, very important and necessary for you to create your presentation. For example, when you go to the Home tab, you see commands that you will use. Similarly, in Insert, Animation, Transition, and so on and so forth. PowerPoint 2019 has new and exciting features. These features are powerful and will help you create a dynamic and professional-looking presentation that will wow your audience. Some of these features include the morph effect, the zoom effect, text highlighter, funnel charts, drawing tools, background removal, 3D models, and embed live videos. Let us look at some of the new features that will help you create a professional presentation. The morph transition will help you to add live and dynamic effect to your objects. To use this effect, duplicate a slide and alter the positioning of the objects in the second slide. Then go to the Transition tab and click on Morph Transition Effect. The zoom effect will help you to summarize all your presentations in one place so that you can easily move from one section or one slide to another during your presentation. To use the zoom effect, go to Insert and select between Summary, Section, and Slide Zoom. The text highlighter feature will help you to lay emphasis on an object of importance during your presentation. To use the text effect, you will use the text effect only during the time of presentation. The funnel chart feature will help you to display visual progression of your data. It will help the audience easily understand how a particular data increased or decreased over time. Microsoft PowerPoint contains features that make it easy to create and share presentation. In this tutorial, we looked at the Backstage View, the editing window, and the new features in PowerPoint 2019. As we end this tutorial, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and click on the share button to share this video. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.